It's raining, shame. It's raining. Turn me up, you shame me. Turn me up, next thing I know, I got that flow so much like my goal. I got the goal, but you got no roll. I'm tasting all that fast like I'm rolling. I'm rolling, I'm shaming. It's raining on your car. The car so broke, it had never went 100 miles. Listen, I know, but you was drinking some own soft. Why would you be drinking some soft that's on you? You so stupid, boy. You looking like you play with some toys, cause you dumb. You dumb, you dumb, you dumb. You dumb, you dumb. Tell me, boy, you have one eye. Keep playing with me, or your eye will be on the floor. You don't even care, boy. You looking so stupid, but next thing I know, you got no money. Your mama had one disease. Everything your mama do is what you gonna do. When you get older, so your mama cannot drive. So your mama cannot drive, that's how you ain't gonna be. Know what? Know what? Let's go now. Yeah, I'm fresh. You not. You stupid. Go get a haircut. Dang, Topper Gate finally I got his haircut. Woo! I'm so fresh and they sing, I know. Go get your haircut, cause you looking dumb. Your hair so messed up, you look like a bum. All that, go to your stomach. Ooh, I ring, I don't like team. Christmas all coming up like ooh. I got that smack, but I'll beat you up just like I did in your 22. Talking all that, cause you look like a rat. And your mama so fat, she couldn't get in the back. Next thing I know, your mama look a bat. Oh, she should have been walking like Bat. I don't even know. She look like Batman. She look like the next fat man, cause she looking so dumb. Oh, she must be the next fattest man. Your mama's a man. She's so stupid. She looking crazy. You lazy. You lazy. Alright. You fight. You cannot. I'm so right. I am the test. You ain't no test. You like an ugly boy. Go get your rest. I don't even care. It's raining. It's raining like you just look like you shining. You looking like an ugly boy. It's not raining. It's nighttime, but you look like a right time. Go get your homework done. Ooh. You got all F's on your whole condo. Probably because you went. Oh, you saw my son with detention. It's gonna be well. You act. If you don't do your homework, tension coming for you. It's gonna be counting your life. Shaggy. He looking like a raggy. Shaggy. He gonna hit you if you don't learn. He gonna have you on that wagon, just like he did his dog. Dog. Go get your next star. I'm right. Yeah, you so ugly, boy. Go back to your school. You passed. How did the heck you pass? You had all F's on your grades. Your booty been hurting like a raid. Talking a smack, but I'll have you looking like a ugly boy. Topper Gute is so fat. He look like a rat, just like a bat. I don't even give a heck. Next thing I know, I'm dissing like I'm a woman of flow. Got that flow, I got some flow. What flow you got? You look like a O. Next thing I know, I'm so fresh, like I'm a test, like I'm a best.